Target Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. In this video, we'll review the Target Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator, covering its features, strengths, and weaknesses. Links to the products mentioned are included in the description below, so make sure to check them out. The Target Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator is designed for e-commerce entrepreneurs who want to streamline their operations while leveraging Target's vast customer base. This tool is built to help sellers automate critical tasks such as product imports, inventory synchronization, and order processing, making it an essential solution for those aiming to scale their dropshipping business efficiently. A key feature of this integrator is its ability to seamlessly import products from suppliers into your Target store. With just a few clicks, you can upload product details, images, and pricing. Real-time inventory synchronization ensures that your listings are always accurate, helping you avoid overselling or price discrepancies. The tool also supports bulk imports, allowing sellers to manage large product catalogs quickly. Another standout feature is automated order fulfillment. Customer orders are forwarded directly to suppliers. Tracking information is updated in real time, ensuring smooth delivery for your customers. One of the integrator's biggest strengths is its automation, which saves time and reduces manual effort. The tool's user-friendly interface makes it easy to manage product listings, monitor inventory, and handle order workflows efficiently. It's particularly well-suited for experienced dropshippers who want to scale their operations on Target while minimizing time spent on repetitive tasks. Additionally, the integrator supports multiple supplier connections, giving sellers flexibility when sourcing products. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. Beginners may find the setup process challenging, as it requires familiarity with API configurations and ensuring product data aligns with Target's marketplace standards. Additionally, occasional syncing delays or minor discrepancies in inventory updates can occur, requiring manual checks to ensure everything runs smoothly. In conclusion, the Target Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator is an excellent tool for sellers looking to grow their dropshipping business on Target. Its robust automation, real-time synchronization, and bulk import features make it a valuable asset for scaling efficiently. While the setup process might feel overwhelming for new users, the long-term time savings and operational improvements make it a worthwhile investment. Check the links in the description for more details and get started with this powerful tool today.